Moms truly deserve surprises for all the unnoticed work they do, and showing appreciation can be very meaningful. Some thoughtful surprises can involve spending quality time together, which often outweighs material gifts. Simple activities like having afternoon tea, going for walks, or watching family movies can be incredibly impactful. You can also brighten her day by cleaning the house or tackling outdoor chores, allowing her to relax. Organizing a family dinner with surprise guests or a picnic can create memorable experiences, while a heartfelt letter or homemade gift will show your love and appreciation. Classic gestures like breakfast in bed, done simply to avoid any mishaps, can also make her feel special. Ultimately, the key is to focus on the effort and intention behind the surprise.